Aloha, I'm Chef Ryan Covert. Welcome back to KTA Kitchens. Today I'm going to demonstrate a very healthy and delicious green smoothie. Let's get started with the ingredients. We have apple banana, agave nectar, non-fat plain yogurt, coconut water, kiwi, kale, cucumbers, pineapple, and of course ice. Let's get started with making this green smoothie. But before we do that, I want to show you how to cut a pineapple the way I was taught back when I was 14 years old in the kitchen. So I like to start with cutting off the top of the pineapple first, along with the bottom. Remove all this. And then I cut this in fours. And also, you see the core? You want to cut that out. And then underneath the core of the fruit, you want to cut it. And then cut it down the middle and then into pieces. And there you have it. To prepare the kale for this smoothie, I like to take off the rib of the kale and just use your hands and pull it off. And you just kind of want to take off pieces this for the smoothie so it blends well. You want 2 cups really well packed together. And you can save your stems for juicing. Along with the kiwi, you're going to cut the top and bottoms off and then off the skin. And just cut it into fours and into pieces. Now it's time to put all the ingredients into the blender. I have a professional grade blender, but if you don't, you might want to use this in batches. So I like to start with all the leafy greens first, along with the coconut water, your bananas, kiwi, the cucumbers, the pineapple. You want to smush it down a little bit. Add your yogurt. And your agave. I'm going to blend this first before I add the ice. It's been blended for a bit, so it's time to add the ice. It's well blended together, so it's the best part. Let's give this a taste. You can smell the kiwi. It's a nice green color. It's delicious. I'm Chef Ryan Covert, and thank you for joining me in KTA Kitchens. Until next time, aloha.